You hear that there? You hear
What
that?
you over there thinking about, son? The meaning of life.
Why the hell y'all got me out here like this?
You had to come out. Don't roll
He
your
rolled
eyes
his
at
eyes
me.
at you. He rolled his eyes.
That's not very nice, fella.
He's got attitude already.
He did. Boo boo.
Andy, what's up, bro?
Am I tripping, sir?
No, pop the flap to the side.
Oh, yep. I'm trying to make sure it's zipped all the way. Well, all the way unzipped.
What in the world, sweetheart?
Hello, fella.
Finna get a bath, guy. You ready to bathe, Kai? You spit out your pacifier like you had something to say. Don't be like that.
And don't pee on me, Fred. Please. I'll get this out the way. The booty dog. Finish take your shirt off first.
Yeah, so you can go on over and get in your tub, fella.
He ain't gonna get in there. He actually has not been in a tub, and he is 1 month.
Yeah, I'm finna be 2 months.
Yeah. And still ain't had no, we not gonna say real bath. No submerged.
I was gonna say, I just think been dunked in.
And baptized in the water.
I was about to say I'm baptized. I don't need that. They're gonna wipe me up. Wipe me up. Wipe me up. Hey, mama, get my rag and wipe me up. You're like, hold up. Hold up. Keep your hands off me. I fight. So you guys have already met Baby Andal. This is a morning get ready with me baby edition.
And an update.
Yeah.
And a official meet.
Yeah.
Cause they've seen him, but they have not met him. Cause when we did that first vlog, we didn't even tell them his name. Yeah. We did the Starbucks. We showed them, but we didn't.
I thought we had. Well, fella. That guy, Kai. What you got to say today? Get me out of here.
You have to wash your hands.
So you got to unbar them.
And your little armpit.
For real?
You can go on this side.
Yeah. Yeah, We gotta get your gums. We get the other side. Don't be looking at me like I'm gonna save you, G. Your mama's putting on your clothes, Kai. So this is just a mini update, as we've already said. Baby boy getting together. As we've already said, this is to get you guys formally acquainted with that guy, Kai. He was born on October 22nd. I want to put you in September so bad, son. I keep on saying September 22nd. It's October 22nd. 9 days before Halloween. So I had me a pretty good birth and delivery. I've been at home cooling it with the other guys. They've been really excited for me to be here. I am A.L.F, Fritz. The 5th boy in the lineage. The 7th child overall in my lineage. Boy, I swear when you look at this camera, it looks
like he looking.
Yes, like he talking. So today, y'all gonna see me get ready. I done took me a bath.
My mama done made me mad.
Y'all might see me eat a little bit. I'm running the vlogs today. I'm running the show. It's gonna be animals.
What you like to do, that guy, Kai?
So what do you like to do besides eat and sleep?
I like to poop.
Yeah, and I like to kick with my brothers. I like to alternate arms. You know, I want one brother holding me this hour, then a couple of hours later I want another brother holding me. I sleep pretty well. I sleep throughout the night for the most part. Until I wake up to eat. I be on daddy wavelength. Wake up, daddy. Wake up.
And I like to sleep with noise. If my brothers ain't turning up, the sleep ain't good.
I can't have no door closed to no room. You need to leave that door open because I need to hear all the noise in the house. The sounds, the loud noises help me sleep.
And I like to cry sometimes.
Oh, you don't like me telling them your secrets?
They give me this passy, but I don't really like it.
There you go. So, what else do I like to do? I like to just sit and think and ponder the meaning of life. You know, I've been here for a while. This place ain't what I thought it was gonna be. Yeah. Nah.
He's sleepy. And I like to fight my sleep.
Oh, to the umpteenth hundred
Because I
power.
like to be nosy.
I like to be awake with all the action.
Especially when they eat that food.
I will wake up with the quickness. I smell it, my stomach get to turning. I'm like, ooh, this don't smell like that little stuff that be in my bottle. I can't even smell that stuff there, y'all. What is that? What is that?
There we go.
Well, I bumped my gums.
Oh,
I bumped my gums enough for the day. So, say peace out, Andy. Yes, he was always focused.
You need to
Look out, Andy. Say cheese. Okay. I zoomed in on him. Well, fam, sadly, we have come to that point in the video where I must let you guys go because I'm about to cry in a minute. So, until next video, fam, love you guys. Stay safe, stay blessed. Be that life for somebody else to emulate. Because you never know what your kind words and gestures might do for somebody else's day.
Period.